Good evening all. Myself Shino Paul. I am part of this ceasefire family past 8 years. I am heading Bangalore North branch now. In the past 6 months, I have achieved a self turnover of 14.11 lakh and my branch contributed to the kitty 66.12 lakhs. And in the next 6 months, I promise I will do a sales turnover of 9.25 lakhs. And my branch will give us 70.45 lakhs to the kitty. Now, I pledge that next 6 months, my call rate per person will be 0.9, that is 9 calls per day. And my location average proposal will be 12. And my location average sales per month is going to be 11.74. And my location average client creation will move to 4. And average productivity per person is planning to 1.6 lakhs. Now, my commitment for the next 6 months, it's a 70.45 lakhs, average productivity of 1.06 lakh. To achieve this productivity, I have planning to a marginal increment of from my call rate from the present call rate of 7 to 9, and the same way I am planning to the client closed client of 3 to 4, and the RPC from 25 to 35,000. So by doing this, I can achieve my set target. Now, why I am in this company past 8 years, or what makes me to be in this company past 8 years? Maybe like when I joined after completing my MBA program, I joined this company as a sales executive. Like any other MBA guy with a wish or with an expectation of having one good cabin, one good bunch of people to manage. Maybe which I was seen only in what you can say like movies or serials. That point of time, MBA means that. So once I come to the practical, or once I come out from the nutshell of campus, and I start realizing that it's not easy. It's a tough job to convince others, convince the other mind, and I start feeling the toughness to make money, which I was getting from my parents very easily. So slowly I start thinking whether it's my cup of tea. This job is suit to me or what. Like olden days we used to, or like our Sunday school teachers says, before do anything you will have 2 thoughts. One is Lucifer thought, one is God's thought. So like my mind was in a dilemma whether is it my cup of tea or what. So because the market was saying for everyone, why I feel this is the toughness is this dilemma. Now, thanks to one book I read, the founder of Naukri, he was explaining why you need to love your job. And once you start loving your job, you will feel the fun in the job. All the toughness you feel it as a fun. So slowly I start loving my job. So then I start getting the money power, and once I start loving my job, I feel all the toughness. I used to take it as a fun. Now, because of these reasons, I start getting money from ceasefire, and this ceasefire that for a frontliner every time it supports with lot of promotion incentives. So slowly I getting money. Once I got money, I know the power of that money, which the money can makes me as a man in front of my family, as a proud man in front of the society. So again, I was sometime when the toughness come, I used to go to the dilemma again back. That kind of time, that time period, maybe my bosses or my superiors used to tell, this is the time and the age what you are losing now, thinking by dilemma, you will not get back. This is the age you have to perform, you have to reach in a good career. So from there my second innings start. I slowly start thinking of my career. Why I am staying this long time to reach another position. So there my second innings start. From there I decided this growth should be with me. And there the ceasefire culture makes you very fast, because the ceasefire culture always help you to become an entrepreneur. Not like any other company, you are fixing your target and you are keep on going with that target like an entrepreneur. So my sincere request or my sincere advice to all frontliner, all newcomers, be with this company with like an entrepreneur, and all support the company gives you, because the culture makes you to an entrepreneurship. Like an entrepreneur, they make you to live. On the whole, I can, when I take back all these days, I am very proud, because I am managing 15 to 20 people and having a decent life. Moreover, or precisely you can say, this is without any pressure, like an entrepreneur I am doing, and I am fixing this is my target for next so and so. Finally, I would like to wish my Bangalore team to achieve all the awards and rewards, and I wish you all a successful career in Ceasefire. Thank you and Jai Hind.